You know, I saw a video that started just like this on Pornhub. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh fuck! Dude, is butter popcorn.
That's what she said. It tastes amazing.
Hey guys, what's going on? This is me, Bolt.
This is me, Tiger.
This is me, Falco.
And we are the Crunchy Coconuts. Hey guys, welcome back to the Crunchy Coconuts. And come on guys, clap it up, clap it up. We have a new friend with us today. Today we have a really fun challenge for you and a really sucky challenge for us. We have the Bean Boozled challenge. So, Bolt, what is it?
You must have heard about this challenge. We got these Bean Boozled jelly beans.
Oh,
So, these are a total of, I think, 20 flavors. 10 of them are delicious. 10 of them are delicious as fuck. And 10 of them, the other 10 are equally bad.
So guys, there are many interesting flavors. So basically, there is one color which represents two flavors. For example, a blue color will represent blueberry, or it could have toothpaste. A buttered popcorn or a rotten egg. A juicy pear or a booger.
We'll be doing a series of challenges which we've decided amongst ourselves.
Yeah.
And let's just start things off with the spin it challenge. We'll just spin it and taste it.
Okay guys, so now Falco is going in for his turn.
Let us
Spin
the
that wheel!
And it is...
It is
So it's
rotten egg or buttered popcorn.
Yeah.
rotten egg or buttered popcorn.
So this is either a buttered popcorn or a rotten egg. Chew it and you suck
You
it.
chew it.
You should have, you have to chew it.
Okay.
I mean, if you want to suck it, you can.
It's buttered popcorn, I'm thinking.
Dude, is butter popcorn.
Oh!
It's so fucking amazing.
Oh!
Another one.
That's nice.
No wait.
Next up,
Spin up.
Spin up.
it's
Bruh. Spin number 2. Dead fish.
Deadfish.
Oh,
Oh!
so you have to spin again.
No, it's berry blue.
It's berry blue toothpaste.
It's kind of like on that part. So let's just give it to
Okay.
him.
I guess both.
You're a lucky person.
Okay guys, so this can either be blueberry or toothpaste, and ironically both work for me.
Yeah.
Let's hope the toothpaste is not Vico. Alright.
Oh, what is it?
What is it?
What is it?
Wow, that's blueberry.
Oh!
Dude,
Too good, too nice.
It tastes amazing.
I know that.
So now it's Bolt's turn.
Spin the wheel. Oh, okay.
What's it? Oh!
Juicy pear or a
Juicy pear
booger.
or a booger.
I think you've tasted a booger, so that wouldn't be a surprise.
So, why would I taste a booger?
You know, like,
Don't tell me I've ever tasted a booger.
Okay.
I've been living off boogers.
Not purposely. That's
Ew.
what I'm saying.
Alright, fine.
Are you serious? Dude, I used to love them. They're salty, they're amazing, then I found a dead mosquito in them, then I stopped eating them.
What?
TCC tails, guys. TCC tails.
Like for more content.
Okay, I'm gonna taste this.
Please be booger. Please be booger.
I think it's a booger.
Looks like
It's a juicy pear.
Dude,
Oh my god.
I'm trying to
It's so good.
I'm trying to think that this is a troll, nothing else.
So guys, that was challenge one.
Yes. And
And
all three of us got good. That's,
Okay.
that's so weird.
that was not expected at all.
That was totally unexpected.
Anyways, which means just next time when we have it, the probability of us getting a bad flavor increases.
Yeah.
So our next round is the airplane challenge. We are going to make 3 different designed airplanes. We don't know. I don't know what design they are making. And whoever's aeroplane goes the furthest, he wins the round, and he gets to choose the color which other two will eat. So if I win and I choose green, so then these both will have to pick one green.
Okay, that's
Okay.
it.
So let's start.
So I guess I'm done, and this is what my vintage weird plane looks like. I mean, I don't know why it's squarish, but
It kind of looks like your dick.
Let's hope not. The symmetric planes fly the most. I
Okay.
guess.
I don't think mine is going to fly either, but look at the shoot. Look at the shoot. That shoot is epic.
So guys, we're here with our paper airplanes and we've given them cool ass names.
Look at the aerodynamics on this.
We get it, bro. You're gonna win, bro. We get it. Wait, what do you call yours, Bolt?
Caris.
Caris. Yeah.
Okay.
I call mine the XXX Pussy Destroy XXX. And Falco, what do you call yours?
Well, I call mine the dick because it goes down well with the ladies.
Or it probably fails. We'll find out soon enough. Bolt is going now.
Look at the aerodynamics.
We get it!
Okay. So,
3,
2.
1.
Oh, it's got some gliding energy. Oh no.
Well, I guess that doesn't count as fun. I'm going in. Bolt, be sure you get this properly.
Yes.
3, 2,
1, go.
wait. There's a trap.
Oh! Oh no! Oh man!
He's gonna do that.
3, 2, 1, go.
Fuck.
Whoa!
What?
Looks like he broke his lighting on the game!
Okay, fuck. Ow, that's fucking hard to beat, bro.
It's gonna be my dick, and let's see if it goes the longest.
Wait, it's gonna be.
It's gonna go down.
And let's see if it goes the longest.
Well, I call mine the dick, but the popcorn is gonna go down.
What?
Okay, what?
Dude, is that a piece of paper?
Well, I think it'll go. It went in my building. Now, since Bolt and Falco lost, we'll go down and eat the jelly beans.
So I'm gonna spin and I'm gonna choose the one which comes up here.
Sure, no problem.
Okay. So the one that came up here is peach or bar, but fuck you. I don't play by the rules. XXX. You guys are gonna take white.
Okay, what?
Okay, like why did this?
In 3, 2, 1.
Pop it in.
Okay.
Oh fuck!
Spilled milk.
Oh no!
Spilled milk.
Dude! I got coconut,
Eh.
but it's not crunchy, man.
Oh!
Hey.
Dude, this is so bad. Now we'll move on to the yoga challenge.
Yoga challenge. What's the yoga challenge?
Yeah. So we've searched out difficult and weird positions in yoga.
Dude, all positions in yoga are weird.
From the company.
That's what she said. Okay. So we'll be given each position. We'll be given a different position.
Okay.
That's what she said. And we have to hold that position for 10 seconds. If you fail, you eat a jelly bean.
I don't think so. We're gonna reach a position to hold the position. But okay, whatever.
Falco's pose is Pindasana, which is
What?
the embryo pose.
Wait a sec. What the fuck? Where's my head? Dude, where's my head? Dude, there is no head. She's headless. Are you understanding? It's not possible. She's headless. She's literally headless Nick from Harry Potter.
Oh!
So basically,
The thing is,
back is supposed to be like this.
if you reach that pose,
And
it's easy to hold for 10.
Just a second, let me try. I don't know what this is looking. Okay, oh, I kind of got it. Is it like this? Let me just get into position. Fuck. Man,
That is not the position. Your legs have to be here.
Take it as much as possible, come on.
Oh fuck.
How much as possible and then hold it out there for 10 seconds. Dude, that is not even.
Your legs should be
Dude, this shit is hard. Fuck you guys.
You know what, let's allow that.
Still not.
He's still not getting it right.
I can do this.
Okay, Falco, that's enough time given. You lose.
Ding ding ding.
That's hard.
Now Falco is going to choose a jelly bean to eat. Oh fuck. Falco, spin the wheel. Spin it, huh?
Falco, spin that wheel.
What's it? What's it? What's it? Dead fish.
Dead fish.
Dead fish.
Ooh.
Dead fish.
Yeah.
No, it's on the right side.
Yes, no. Nearly a fail.
Dead fish. Dead fish. Dead fish. Dead fish.
As good as the strawberry banana smoothie? Yeah.
Damn it. That was so anticlimactic.
No.
So guys, guess who's next?
It's my turn. Come on.
Okay. Your pose is Bhuja Pindasana.
The Hey, his legs are over his shoulder. I can't do that.
Don't even try. Just eat a. Just spin it. Just spin it.
Come on, you have to try. You have to...
How has he even gotten into that position? Hang on. What if?
Oh, that's a good start. That's a good start.
That would be
If you got the second part.
if I would get the second part.
Shit it out.
Alright, come on. Come on.
Yeah, you're there. You're
All I have to
there.
know is go on your hands.
Yeah, you just have to balance
That
on your
is
hand.
not possible. But that's the thing, I don't think that's possible.
Hands.
Fuck.
Just have a bean.
I'll just
Just get a bean, dude.
Okay, so guys, I'm gonna spin the wheel now, and here I go.
Dead fish. Dead fish. What is it?
Barf.
Barf, peach,
Barf.
or barf?
Peach
Oh.
or barf?
Alright. Cue the epic music.
What is it?
Barf.
That's how we do it! Oh fuck, bro.
Is it that bad?
So guys, there's Bolt and there's his pose. His pose is called Nidrasana. And
Okay.
this is a pose.
Impossible.
Just try.
This is weird. Okay, I don't even think I can.
Oh, you're there.
I don't think it's gonna happen. You know, I saw a video that started just like this on Pornhub.
Okay, look, dude. What is this?
Alright, fine. Take one of these. Come on, Bolt. Spin that wheel. That
Fail.
Ooh.
Ooh. It is chocolate pudding or canned dog food.
Ooh.
Oh,
None of us have
nice.
had that.
Okay.
Which one is it?
It's
It's chocolate pudding.
It's chocolate pudding.
It's so good.
Yeah.
Wow.